How's it going, guys? Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to today's episode number 16, which is a part 2 of our water purifier and water dispenser website. Alright guys, so let's jump into this. Yesterday we have designed the hero part of the banner here. Right, the banner part, which is the hero section of the website. Most important section because the first section that the user comes in contact with. Now, let's design the remainder of this landing page. Alright guys, let's jump into this. Cool. Alright guys, so let's have here our title. Again guys, if you need my assistance with anything, whether it's a website, mobile app, web app, landing page, UX audit, let me know. My contacts are right below in my bio and they'll be in this video's bios as well. So if you haven't seen how I designed this part here, go back to episode 15 and you will find it there. And then watch episode 15 first and then come back to this episode. Let's go. Popular on SDK Magic. SDK Magic basically. That's why SDK Magic. Cool. Alright, so let's take this main image, put it here. Now let's add some text overbar. Guys, when you pick an image, it's really important that you pick an image that makes sense to that has a primary objective. For example, this image here, you can see that it's much more, all the objects are much more focused to the right, so that on the left we can use it to add other components of the design into it. Right? Same thing with this image. The image is much more to the left, and then it's much more to the right, and then on the left there's a lot of space so that we can add other visual elements into it. Let's jump into this. What we'll do is, this is the stainless steel. Take this, put it in orange. Let's reduce the size. 30, 20, yeah, 20 seems fine. There we go. Now T for text, water dispenser, right? And then 30. Let's try 40. Much better. Water dispenser and Purifier. Select all of that. Okay. Now, T for text. Dispense, freshness, purify, life, and elevate your every breath. Okay. Use that there. Regular, let's just try thin, extra. And then now let's take our button. No more. Again guys, if you want to see how I designed this button, refer back into the previous episode, you will see. Then let's have here, copy paste this all the way here to the bottom. Explore our range of dispensers. Range of dispensers. Alright, we have our dispensers here. Feel free free, guys, again, to use any images you like from the internet. For me, it's much more important that you guys understand the concept. Right? Let's move this closer. T for text. Jigsaw. Let's try 50. $30, $20. Let's try effortlessly quench your thirst with our convenient and stylish water dispensers. Let's put dispensers or dispensers there. And then we have here the price. Alright guys, take all of this, copy paste. This one is 2, and then this one is stainless steel. Cool guys, this is basic guys. Use a rectangle and then use an icon and then just text. Right guys, feel free to drop a comment below if you don't understand what's happening. I will get back to you. It's important that you understand what is going on. Copy paste this one. Now we're going for the testimonials. So serving over plus 55, no, plus 100. Satisfied customers. Alright, let's see what one customer had to say. I had the pleasure to experience the brand's water purifier and I can't praise enough. Should I put that? 30. Put it in the middle. Let's see. Let's group those. Take that. Group and then group these two as well. Let's say Ben Davis said this. Cool. Now let's take this part here, which is much more of a CTA. CTA over here. We have our image. We have our CTA here. This guys, was the same thing as we did for the gradients up there at the top, right? Back in the previous episode. Let me know. Now, last but not least, guys, let's design the footer. R for rectangle. Let's do something like this. Black. Let's make it premium. We have our logo in white here. Make sure everything is aligned properly, guys. Then later on we'll dive into alignment as well. Do not worry, I just want you guys to get into the gist of it, or to see more or less how to design, you know, just the basics. Then we'll get into the deeper topics later on throughout the series. Bringing fresh, clean water to your home. All right, cool. T for text, quick links, bold. Now unbold it again. Air purifier. Copy paste. Water purifier. Copy paste. Water dispenser. Copy paste. Contacts. All right, now in the contact us section, let's have our icons here. Feel free to use any other icons that you guys would like. Just use occasion. Let's say Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Right. 1-800-18- Here we go. And we like email info at sdkmagic.co.my. Copy paste social links. I got our social links right here: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and okay, we're almost done, guys. We're almost there. R for rectangle, last part. Here at the bottom, it's important to leave like a disclaimer. Orange. T for text. Add copyright 2024, 2025 in this case. Developed by me. In that case. And guys, well done for doing our longest landing page thus far. This is just the beginning, guys. This is just the beginning. We have a lot of other episodes coming up where we'll do websites of all sorts. This is just one of many. Guys, thank you so much for watching today's episode. Please reach out to me if you need my assistance or my services in web, mobile design, web design, web apps as well, landing pages, UX audits, and consultations as well. check there all my links in my bios. Follow me on LinkedIn, follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys on the next episode. And please like, share, subscribe, and comment down below so that I know what, if you guys like this content. If you have other ideas, let me know. Thank you guys so much. See you in the next episode.